Hi everyone, I'm Dannell, and today I'm excited to show a project that I built during my DevOps internship. It's a rule-based chatbot with a fully automated workflow for updating and deploying new versions. This is my EC2 Linux server that is currently running the chatbot. And this is my chatbot, DannyBot. It provides common commands for Linux, AWS, and SSH. What made this project particularly interesting was the automation. Whenever I push a new version to the main branch in GitHub, it automatically triggers GitHub Actions to run tests. Once the tests pass, the changes are deployed to an AWS S3 bucket through the CodePipeline, which then triggers a Lambda function to update the live Linux EC2 server automatically. In this demo, I'll walk you through the process and show the chatbot updating live in real time. Let's get started. Let's begin with making a simple change to the code. I'm just going to change the name of the bot so it's something that's easy to see. And now I will push to GitHub. And now let's go to the GitHub repo. And you can see here that the new version was successfully pushed to the main branch. And now we can go to GitHub Actions. And here we can see that GitHub Actions ran automatically. It built the project, ran tests using npm, Jest, and performed some security tests by Snyk. Everything passed, which means the code was ready for deployment and triggered the AWS CodePipeline. And here we can see that it successfully pulled from GitHub and sent it to the Amazon S3 bucket. When the S3 bucket updated, it triggered a Lambda function. This is the Lambda function written in Python. And here we can see that it did successfully trigger. And success rate is 100%. Now let's check the server. If I refresh the page, we should see the change right here. That's great. The changes were deployed automatically from start to finish, and the chatbot responded exactly as expected. That concludes my CI/CD demo. The entire process was automated end-to-end, showcasing my ability to build reliable and scalable DevOps workflows. This project allowed me to strengthen my skills in coding, version control, automated testing, cloud deployment, and server management. And it was a lot of fun. Feel free to explore more of my projects, tutorials, and technical walkthroughs here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.